What if I told you that investing just 5,000 rupees every month could grow into more than 1 crore rupees over time without any trading or guessing? In this video, we'll learn how to build a simple SIP calculator in Excel and understand how your mutual fund investments actually grow month by month. First, open the Excel sheet. We will create 3 columns: month, total investment, and future value, which means the final amount after we get the interest. On the right side, create 3 rows: SIP, yearly interest, and monthly interest. We will invest a SIP of 5,000 rupees each month. If we expect a nominal rate of return of 12%, then on a monthly basis, it would be 1%, right? For the first month, total investment would be 5,000 rupees. Since we're just starting the SIP, and for the future value, first we'll enter the interest rate, the number of months, the principal per month. Since money is deducted from us, it will be negative. And because we haven't added any lump sum amount, it will be 0. We'll enter 1 to calculate from the beginning of the month. Same for the second month. The total investment will be the previous capital plus the current SIP of 5,000, which becomes 10,000. All the same calculations apply. And same for the third month. Copy this formula down for all months, say up to 120 months for 10 years. We can clearly see how our total investment and final value grows. For example, 6 lakh invested over 10 years grows to around 11.6 lakh. Almost gets doubled. Let's visualize this even more clearly with charts by selecting the future value and total investment column data. The blue line represents future value, and the orange line represents total investment. If we draw a circle in the gap between future value and total investment, we can clearly see that the gap is increasing exponentially with time. That is the true power of compounding. If we give time and stay consistent, we can achieve our financial goals, for sure. So next time someone says SIP is slow, remember, it's not about speed, it's about consistency. You can download the SIP calculator template, link in the description, and play around with different parameters. If you found this video useful, hit like, comment, and subscribe to DataTeller.